Guys, we are from Group 21, me, Suzanne and Lim, and we're going to explain regarding Experiment 1, which is the properties of fluid. So this experiment is divided into 5 or 6 parts. Check it again. So for the first part, Experiment 1A, we determine the density by using the conventional method, which is we take what is this called? Cylinder, measuring cylinder, and also a density bottle. But you fill it up to a certain volume. So first you have to measure the empty cylinder, then you fill it up, then you measure the weight of the cylinder plus the water, then you minus this one with the initial mass of the cylinder, so you'll find out the mass of the fluid, and then you divide and find the density. Repeat it 3 times to reduce error. Then you also do the same with 3 different types of fluid. Over there we have water, we have oil, and we have soap. So you do it 3 times, and you do exactly the same with density bottle. So that's all for experiment 1A. Experiment 1B, principle and usage of a hydrometer. So what happens is that we take one of these. This is called
hydrometer.
Okay, yeah, we take one of these hydrometer and we put it inside the measuring cylinder that consists of water. We have oil, and then we also have liquid soap. So we wait until the hydrometer stabilizes absolutely stable. And if you see here, it's like half floating, it's not floating full way. And then you take the measurement, and we have to read it by, like that, and make sure we're eye level to the reading. And then that's how we'll determine the density and the specific gravity. So again, we'll repeat it 3 times to reduce error. And we do the same for oil, and we do the same for soap. So that's all.
First, to prepare 2 types of liquid mixture, which is water and methanol, and the other sample is methanol and acetone. So for the first one, water and methanol, we have to prepare 4 different samples, which is like by starting with 0% of water with 50 ml of methanol, following by 10% of water and 90% of methanol. We prepare that for water and methanol, and also methanol and acetone. And this thing is tested using conventional weighing method. So whereby when we're doing the last part, which is 100% water, you're going to take 100 ml of water, and you're going to measure the mass of water. This is part C of experiment 1, whereby you measure the specific gravity of liquid using hydrometer. So we have to prepare 4 samples for water and methanol with different concentration. So the first sample is whereby you use 50 ml of methanol, 0 ml of water. The second one is 5 ml of water and 45 ml of methanol. The third one is 50 ml of water, 50 ml of methanol, and the fourth one is 100 ml, 50 ml of water. So yeah, you have to measure the specific gravity of this liquid by placing the hydrometer inside, and which hydrometer floats, and that's the right hydrometer to measure the specific gravity of that particular concentration of fluid.